third class science test paper 1. It's test paper based on the 1 to 6 lessons. Okay, 1 to 6 lessons based on this test paper 1. Okay, here say children take the correct option in your textbook, page number 55. Page number 55. Take the correct answer. What is the first one? All animals depend on this for their food. All animals depend on these for their food. Option A, other animals. B, plants. C, water sources. What is the correct option? Plants. All animals depend on these for their food. All animals depend on the plants for their food. First one, option B. Okay, tick the correct option now. First one, B for plants. Plants. Okay, second bit. These spread diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Which one is spread malaria, dengue and chikungunya? Mosquitoes, spiders, worms. Mosquitoes spread diseases like malaria, dengue and chikungunya. Okay, option A, mosquitoes. Option A, mosquitoes. Okay, next, third one. This sticky substance is mostly used for making pots and toys. Sandy soil, clay soil, loam soil. Which soil is made for toys, pots, toys? Yes, clay soil. Clay soil. Option B. Option B is correct one. Next one, fourth one. These animals lay eggs. Dogs and cats, snakes and birds, tigers and elephant. Which animals lay eggs? Snakes and birds. Option B, snakes and birds. Okay, next, fifth one. Whales have these two breathe: gills, air holes, lungs. Which one use and breathe whales? Lungs. Option C, lungs. Okay, air holes have, small insects have air holes, and ants, cockroaches have air holes and air holes to breathe. Gills means fishes have gills to breathe. Okay, next bit, fill in the blanks. Second bit. First one, dash makes soil fertile. Humus makes soil fertile. Second one, plants grow towards the light. Light, light. Third one, plants breathe through tiny dash on their leaves. Third one, plants breathe tiny pores on their leaves. Tiny pores. P-O-R-E-S, pores. Okay. Fourth one, when a number of roots grow from the end of the stem, it is a dash root. Fibrous root have so many roots are attached to the stem. Fibrous root. Tap root only, one main root. Okay, fibrous root. And next one, fifth one, dash holds the plant upright and support branches. Which part is support to branches? Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem is the support to the branches. These are the fill in the blanks. Humus, light, tiny pores, fibrous root, stem. humus, light, tiny pores, fibrous root and stem. Next, match the following. Next bit, match the following. Match the following. Okay. First one, match the following. First one, animals like cows and buffaloes need milk producing food. Which one? Milk. These are the milk producing food. It is option E. Match the E. Right here, see children, E. Okay. Next, manure contains cow dung and decaying leaves. Manure contains cow dung and decaying leaves. Option C. Next, loam is mixture of which soils? Sandy soil and clay soil. Option A. Okay, third one, option A. Fourth one, fruits have seeds inside them. Yes, fruits have seeds inside them. Option B. Fourth one, option B. Next one, fifth one, plants do not have sense organs. Plants do not have sense organs. Option D. Okay. E, C, A, B, D. These are the match the following answers. Okay, children. Next bit, question and answers. Test paper question and answer, children. Keep heading like this in your notebook, and I will write only answers. You will write both question and answer. Okay. First question answer. Once again I read first question. Why do some animals swallow their food whole? It is the first question. First question answer is some animals swallow their food whole because they do not have biting or chewing teeth. It's the first question answer. And some animals swallow their food whole because they do not have biting or chewing teeth. It is a first question answer. Next, second question. Write two features of a good house. A good house should be airy and well light airy and well light. It should also have a well drainage system. Enough. What is the first question? Two features of good house. A good house should be airy and well light. It should also have a well drainage system. Okay, well drainage system. Third question. Loam is the best soil for plants. Why? Third question answer. Loam is the best soil for plants because it contains air, water and humus. Okay, can you understand? Loam is the best soil for plants because it contains air, water and humus. Fourth question answer, living things grow whereas non-living things do not grow. And second one, living things need food whereas non-living things do not need food. These are the two differences between living things and non-living things. Okay, living things are the grow, non-living things are the do not grow. Living things are the need food, non-living things are the do not need food. These are the two differences between living things and non-living things. Okay. Fifth question, write one role of the stem in a plant. It is a one role means it works. The stem carries the food made by the leaves to different part of the plant. Its work, stem, how to help to plant to the stem. The stem carries the food made by the leaves to different parts of the plant. Stem carry the water from the leaves, branches. It is very important from plants. It is the 5 question and answers of test paper question and answers in 1 to 6 lessons question and test paper. This one you can write in your notebook 5 question and answers. Okay children, thank you.